BlastedPrints. All right, 3D printed smoking accessories, 2,300 sales, pretty darn good reviews. Very nice, good baseline. I would recommend, banner image here, but not the end of the world. Okay, what do you got here? Okay, cannabis stuff. Very nice. Okay, good colors, good photography overall, good number of products, 17 products. It's a little low. You generally want to get to about 20 products or so for an item, but they're simple, they're clean. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and look at these funnels, the best seller here that you got. Okay. Good product photos. From the design of the part itself for 3D printing, I would generally recommend rounding off that tip, because otherwise you end up with an ice cream coating because there's so much heat on that single small tip. So if you round that off just a little bit, you can still easily assemble the funnel the way you want to here. But you don't have to worry about the top messing up the look of your part, basically. But nice solid colors all the way through. You're not doing a ton of, how many colors are you doing? Nice. Like 4 or 5 colors, not 20. Otherwise your life gets miserable. A nice little batch of accessories there. Okay. Good photography, decently clean background, showing the colors, showing it all in context, showing it from a lot of different angles. You've got a video, good. You need to have videos, especially for something like this. This is a very demonstrable product where you want to have a video for sure. Good batch of reviews for this item. Shipping. Offer free shipping and bake the cost of shipping into the price of your item. So sell this item for $20, $25, $29 and have free shipping. There's some times when you can have some weirdness with this, because you do have a $19 item, and I can imagine some people, this is an item that I would think would be $19. That is correctly priced. That is good pricing there. If you went up to $29, that might be a little bit expensive, but going $19 with the cost of shipping, people might be able to get on board with that more. So it's something to experiment with. Etsy will push your your item higher in search rankings if you have free shipping. So that is something to do there. But this is a really good niche. These types of accessories sell really well, just in general. Nice simple batch of colors. It's in 18 carts. All this is going well. Time to arrive is a little bit slow from what I would expect for this type of item. If you want to accelerate time of shipping, what you can do is you can plug into like a 3D print on demand plugin, like from Slant 3D, where you can basically just upload these 3D models, plug the plugin into your store, connect it to this listing, and then when a person orders that item from the store, it'll be printed in Slant 3D print farm and then shipped directly to your customer. And for an item like this, it would probably cost like maybe $5 to $6 to be printed, and then $5 for shipping, whatever your current shipping is. That's about what it would be through that app too. So you end up making somewhere between $10 and $15 with this whole deal, with having somebody else do all the work. That way you can focus on designing new products and don't have to worry about dealing with all the shipping and handling and that kind of thing, or the printing itself. You don't have to build a print farm as this takes off. You just have to take care of your customers, make a good product. But good photos. How's the description look? The description is nice, good description. Could have a few more words in it, a little bit more SEO built into it. And I know that this is a topic that you have to kind of dance around SEO for, like using the word herb and that kind of thing. But still, having a larger description, again, pushes you up in those rankings. So it's a really good way to go. Good reviews from users, all that looks really, really good. Let's go back to the main store. All the other items, good. All seem to be single colors. The sleeve, yeah, pricing seems to be pretty good. Oh, lighter table and ashtray. These are a cool product. This is a nifty thing, an actual functional component that can also be gifted. Etsy is really good for gifts, so that's great. Still single colors so that you're not making your life miserable. That's good. Yeah, good. Oh, very nice. Yeah, BlastedPrints, good work on this. This is the right way to do a store, and it seems like you guys are doing it right. But yes, the cannabis and the herb industry is a really good place for print on demand, because there's a need for a lot of accessories, and a lot of them aren't getting made just because it's tough to create these things and iterate through them, and it's so early in the industry as a whole. But yeah, good work. And with 809 admirers too, with a new product being released, a bunch of people will immediately purchase that because they're following your store. Something you could also do, BlastedPrints, is put things on sale. If you put something on sale, everybody who is a follower or an admirer gets a notification. And when they get that notification, they're reminded of you, and they're like, oh yeah, I got that birthday coming up. I need to purchase that gift for the person. So using sales is a way of kind of doing email on Etsy. You notify everybody that your store is still around. And you can have it like a 5% or 10% sale. It's mainly about that notification. It's not really about giving people a deal or discount, even though you have enough margin here to do a discount, even with having somebody else print your stuff for you. But no, this looks great. Good work. This is a nice store.